Hi, my name is Gabriel Stockton. I'm a brand ambassador of Daniel Smith Watercolors, and I get this wonderful opportunity to sign back up with Cheap Joe's to do these wonderful Zoom workshops where you get to stay in the comfort of your own four walls. Now, this workshop, we are doing these loose, just atmospheric, beautiful harbor scenes, just like this one behind me. If you've been wanting to learn how to do harbor scenes with boats in the water, this is the class for you. It's for beginners, intermediates, and advanced. It's all based on where you are right now. We will be going over the pigment to water ratio, how to mix for atmospheric situations, and we'll talk about compositions. The wonderful thing about these courses, they're recorded and you can watch them back on your own time. Now, February 4th is the last day to sign up. The actual workshop is on February 12th, 13th, and 15th. I really like how Cheap Joe's has us doing 2 days on, 1 day off, 1 day on. That gives you time to maybe watch the recording over and paint along with the video, and you'll be able to send and email me your finished painting to be able to get the critique and feedback that you need. The other wonderful thing is these aren't long-winded day Zooms, okay? And lastly, as far as materials goes, now you can use whatever watercolor materials that you currently have. There will be a suggested materials list. My suggestion is that you at least get the 100% cotton Kilimanjaro cold press paper. It's the 140. And the thing that I love about this paper, it works really well and it's really inexpensive in this current economy. Now, the other things that are listed there, that's up to your discretion. If you are wanting to be able to paint like I paint, go ahead and grab those wonderful different. You can also email me if you have any questions about this course materials that's in the list. Well, I look forward to having you. Please sign up. We're going to have a good time, and I will see you in the class for the workshop. Take care and keep those brushes wet. Sign up today.